How to redeem a Spotify gift card on your phone. Welcome back everyone to a new guide video of TechTube. If you're trying to redeem your Spotify gift card on your phone, you cannot do it within the Spotify app. For this, you'll need to open up your web browser. So open up any web browser that you use and search for Spotify Redeem. Once you search for this, you can see the first website, which is from Spotify. You can just tap on this result. And you'll also need to log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on this interface from where you can type in the code that you have. So if you have the card, you can see the pin or the code on the backside of your card. You can type it in, or if you have a in-store receipt, you can also type in the code and tap on I'm not a robot and then tap on continue. And if the code that you entered is correct, your Spotify gift card will be successfully redeemed and you can use that balance to purchase your premium plan of Spotify. So that was the process on how to redeem a Spotify gift card on your phone. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.